Hi guys, this is just a quick update about the highway pegs. As you can see, I've changed the position. Initially, they were in this orientation. But what I found is that it's not as comfortable as I thought. For them to actually be comfortable with your foot on it, it needs to be lower down to here. Now, with these crash bars, that's not possible. So I changed the configuration, and I'll show you what I mean. For me, what I found is if I put my foot up here, it raises this angle a little bit too much. So what I decided to do is I changed things around and in the way that they were intended to use. And if you can see, it's actually tilted upward. And that's so that I can actually do this instead. So because of the larger platform of this particular foot peg, it's going to be very comfortable when you do that. So riding on the highway in this configuration is extremely comfortable, and I am very pleased with them, but not in this configuration. This is nice to use it, just to change the angle for a little bit, but this is definitely much more comfortable because it takes the load off completely. With the new angle, they're not as ugly as when I had them angled forward, so they're not that bad looking. And let's take a look from the front to see. They do stick out when they're open, but from a side view, they're not as bad. And let me show you what it looks like when they're closed. That's the profile of them when they're closed. And this is what it looks like from the front. So a little bit better than the other angle, but still I'm not a huge fan of the look, but they will be great for touring. So now that I have them in the final position, I'm gonna mark it in such a way that I know how to reinstall them and get them in that perfect angle. And then I can reinstall them while on tour. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and have a great day.